What's the meaning of classicism? Classicism. Classicism.
Classicism. Classicism. Classicism refers to a style of art, literature, and architecture that is characterized by adherence to traditional forms and rules. It emphasizes simplicity, symmetry, and precision while rejecting extravagant ornamentation and emotional expression. Classicism emerged in ancient Greece and Rome but has been revived and reinterpreted in various forms throughout history, including during the Renaissance and neoclassical periods. The aesthetic ideals of classicism continue to influence contemporary design and culture, as it represents a timeless style that prioritizes rationality, order, and clarity over individualism and subjective expression.